Hello students, in this lesson you're going to learn how to wire up a switch circuit. So go ahead and log into Tinkercad and get to your dashboard. And so that link will be provided. And then once you're at your dashboard, click on Circuits, on the left side here, create a new circuit. We're going to need to put in a breadboard and rotate it 90 degrees. We're going to need a, slide switch. It's going to be really small. An LED, a resistor. Alright. Click on your resistor, change it to ohms, and 330. Go ahead and rotate your LED in this orientation. And we're going to put that LED in A1, A2. The resistor is going to be in B2, B6. And we're going to rotate the switch in this orientation so that the first terminal is in E1. Alright, take a moment to do that, pause the video, plug in those components. Alright, moving on. We're going to go ahead and add a positive connection to B2 and to the positive rail, and then a negative connection to the common of the switch from A7 to the negative rail, just like that. And now we need a battery. Okay. We don't want the 9 volt, we want 1.5 volt batteries, and we're gonna select 2 of them, or 4 of them, sorry. That's equal to 6 volts. And be very careful with this because you want to make sure you wire up the right wires to the right terminal. So you want the positive rail connected to the positive terminal of the batteries. Let's make that red. And so on. So you got to crisscross. Just like that. So take a moment to do that. The battery, when you bring in a battery, the little menu pops up for you to change the count. Alright, now when I click Start Simulation, the switch is on, defaulted to on, but if I click the switch, it switches it downwards and it turns off the LED. So this is an open circuit right now, and when I close it, it's a closed circuit. So what does that mean? So right now this is closed. So electrons are flowing through this positive rail of the breadboard, through the wire, through the anode of the LED, making the LED turn on, so the light comes through, and then the electrons are happy, they're excited, they're bright, and they come through the cathode, through the terminal of the resistor in this direction, and then out the terminal and through the breadboard rail, this rail right here, through the switch. Since the switch is closed, there's a connection right here that's bridging the gap, closing the gap, and it's coming. The electrons are coming in this direction and out to common and back through to negative. But when I open it, I open that connection, and now there's nothing there for electrons to flow through. So closed, open, closed, open, closed, open. All right, so that's the switch circuit I want to see. I want to see you try that, and I want to see screenshots of this circuit.